Good morning. Welcome to the sunny skies and blue water of the beach. We got here at around 1:30 and we are just kind of sitting. The water is really cold, so we aren't really swimming that much. I mean, I'm walking in the water right now, but like I said, it's really cold. So I have on my tanning oil so I can tan and stuff. And I'll be all nice and ready for the summer and be tan before summer even starts. But here's hers with a chip on her face. And I'm excited to be at the beach in the sand. So yeah, we're gonna be here till about 5:36. And here's my mom. Would you just do? Yeah, I left my hat at home, so I don't have it. But my bathing suit today is from Target, and I'm really excited. So let's start having some fun clips of us at the beach. Hello. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of clips of us at the beach. Because we're going to come today and we probably are going to come tomorrow for fun. So yeah, we're going to make one of those like spring break in the sun. So yeah, not a sad. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. I am back tanning. Oh my god, the sun is like right in my eye. But I am back tanning. I'm using my phone as a little light shield. But like I said, it's gonna be burning a little bit. Tanning. My vlog from yesterday hasn't uploaded yet. I just decided tonight I might as well upload 2 at a time, because it's just going to be easier that way, I think. I don't know. I actually don't really know. But I might go back in the water, I might walk around the beach for a little bit. So we're going to see what we do later. I really want to go to the surf shop, so let's do that. I love going there. It's my favorite place to do. Yeah. And I'm so excited about being at the beach. It feels really good. Like I said, the sun is right in my eyes the whole entire time. And it's really fun. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed all those clips of us doing spring break things. Really fun. So I was gonna walk all the way down the beach, found a quieter area where I could talk to you guys without people being super loud, but I found kind of like a sand dune area. It's really pretty. The sand is super soft. Everywhere we're staying, the sand is also soft, but it's very wet, so it's a lot harder to walk and kind of have your feet in the sand. I just actually found a spot where it's wet over here, but I've never really been over here before. We go into this beach every time we go. Yeah, if you guys probably heard, that's my sister. She went to walk with me, and now she's walking with me, or she's coming to find me. But it's super pretty outside. If you guys can tell, let me show you. So we made this humongous pothole, and now we're leaving the beach, and I'm really sad.
Here they are making their own. Whoa! Here they are making their own pot at the beach. They have to go potty, so they're gonna go in here and then bury it.
Whoa!
What a plan! The streams have come up with a plan.
Whoa! So we got home from the beach. If you guys can't tell, my face is a little burnt, and so are my legs, and my chest is really burnt. But like I said, we got home around, oh my god, did I just mess up my fingernail? Yes, I did. I'll go fix it in a minute. But like I said, we got home around, I cannot think what time we got home. 5:30 maybe? 5:30, somewhere around that time. And then the minute we got home, everybody ordered pizza, and the pizza delivery guy came like right when we got home. So that's kind of cool. And then we just have been laying around. I painted my nails with the new Kylie Jenner Sinful Color collection. This is Miss Chef. Let's see. I don't know. My little sister got Commando by King Kylie. So yeah, I'm laying down right now. About to watch some Netflix, but like I said, obviously I do it all the time anyway. But are you guys excited about me vlogging every day? I think it's so much fun, and I really enjoy it. It allows me to interact with you guys and have a lot of fun. The funny thing is, I will vlog more in public than I will like at my house. At my house I don't do it, but I'll be in the grocery store like, hey guys, I'm with this co-worker or whatever. No, I don't work at the grocery store. I mean, like, I'm with this worker. Her name is Shaniqua. You know, random stuff. But like I said, I like to vlog a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy. I'm on like episode 9, so I only have about 15 more episodes until season 10, which is exciting, and I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch some Grey's Anatomy, and then I don't know if I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys, but I might. I don't know. So if I don't, good night. If I do, so I actually think I am gonna go to sleep because I have to upload 2 vlogs tonight, because I have to upload last night's vlog and tonight's vlog. So let's get it going. 2K16 spring break. Woo.